Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am Rashid Ghani, and in this is my seventh lecture. In this lecture, I am solving exercise 10B of the topic points, lines, and planes, and this is my seventh lecture. In my previous lecture, I have solved first two questions of this exercise, and today I will solve question number three. So So this is the question number three. In this question, he is asking that in each of the following figures, AB is parallel to CD. Find the values of the unknowns. So this is the similar question as of question number two. It has three of the parts. We have to find the values of unknowns in all these parts. So let us solve the question number three. AB is the line which is parallel to the line CD. So here is the angle A degree, and this is the transversal, and again this is the transversal. Let us name it as what he is named, EF. So this is the point E and this is the point F. यहाँ हमें A डिग्री की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है और B डिग्री की भी वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है। ये दो ही अननोन्स हैं इस क्वेश्चन में। तो यहाँ आप गौर से देखें तो ए बी और सी डी दो पैरेलल लाइंस हैं। दिस एंगल ए डिग्री एंड दिस एंगल 38 डिग्री आर इक्वल बिकॉज बोथ आर करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स। तो ए डिग्री इज इक्वल्स टू 38 डिग्री बिकॉज these are corresponding angles. These are corresponding angles. At the same time, this angle 2b degree is corresponding to both these angles. Is corresponding to both these angles, a degree plus 30 degree. So 2b degree is equals to a degree plus 30 degree. We have to find the value of b degree. So we will put the value of a degree, which is 2b degree equals to 38 degree plus 30 degree, and 2b degree equals to 68 degree. We will divide it by 2, so the value of b degree becomes 68 degree divided by 2, and the answer is 34 degrees. The value of b degree is 34 degrees. Hence we have find the both the unknowns in part A. Part B is very easy. In part B, 7c degree and 140 degree are corresponding angles. So 7c degree is equals to 140 degree. These are corresponding angles. So we divide both sides by 7. C degree is equals to 140 divided by 7. So the value of C degree becomes 20 degree. Hence we have find the value of C degree. Now 7c degree and 2d degree are equals because both are vertically opposite angles. So 7c degree equals to 2d degree. We will put the value of c degree, which is 7 into 20 equals to 2 into d degree. And 7 times 20 is 140 equals to 2 times d degree. Hence the value of d degree equals to 140 divided by 2, and we get the answer which is equals to 70 degree. Hence we have find the value of d degree and the value of c degree in this part. In part C, we can see there is only one unknown, that is 7e degree. That is 7e degree. So 7e degree and 3e degree both are interior angles. So I have told you that the sum of interior angle is always equals to 180 degrees. So 7e degree plus 3e degree is equals to 180 degree because both are interior angles. These are interior angles. So 7 plus 3 becomes 10e degree equals to 180 degree. We divide both sides by 10. Then e degree becomes 180 divided by 10. It becomes e degree equals to 18 degree. So the value of e degree comes, which is 18 degree. Now here in part D, AB is a line parallel to the line CD, Hence, these two angles 2f plus 6 degree and 3f minus 23 degree are the alternate angles. We put them equals because in case of parallel lines, the alternate angles are always equal. So 2f plus 6 is equals to 3f minus 23. So we subtract 2f from in the right side and add 23 in the left side. So it becomes 6 plus 23 equals to 3f minus 2f. So 23 plus 6 is 29 and 3f minus 2f becomes f. So the value of f degree is 29 degree. There is only one unknown in this part. So that is f. We have find that. So this was the question number 3. Let us move toward the question number 4 and let us see it in the book. This is the question number 4. You can see in front of you that he is saying that given that AB is parallel to CD, find the values of unknown in each of the following figures. So these are two the figures where AB is the line parallel to the line CD. So let us solve these questions. So I have wrote these questions over here. So AB is the line which is parallel to the line CD, and we have to find the value of A. We have to find the values of A. So let us draw a parallel line as an imaginary line at point A like this. This is the third line which will be parallel to the line AB and the CD at the same time. So the angle A degree is split into two angles, this one and this one. So this angle, let's say it is equals to x degree, and this angle, let's say this is equals to y degree. X degree and 140 degree are two interior angles now, and Y degree and 114 are also two interior angles now. So let us sum up them to 180 degree. X degree plus 142 degree is equals to 180 degree. So let us subtract that. X degree is equals to 180 degree minus 142 degrees. If we subtract 142 from 180, the answer becomes 142. Answer becomes 38 degree. So the value of x degree is equals to 38 degree. And now we have to find the value of y degree. So the angle y and angle 114 are also the interior angles because these two angles are lying inside these two parallel lines AB and CD. So these two angles are also the interior angles. So sum of these angles is again equals to 180 degrees. So y degree plus 114 degree is equals to 180 degree. So now let us subtract 114 from 180. 180 minus 114. So after subtracting, we get to know that 180 minus 144, sorry, 114 is equals to 66 degree. So the value of y degree is 66 degree. So hence we have find the x degree and y degree, which are two angles splitting, drawing a line uh, at point E. So angle A degree now is equals to x degree plus y degree, because this angle A degree is complete angle at point E, and it is now equals to x degree and y degree. So sum of x degree and y degree is 38 degree plus 66 degree, and the value of A degree is equals to 66 plus 38 equals to 104 degrees. So value of A degree is 104 degrees. Hence, it was only a one unknown in this part, that is A degree. We have find the value of A degree. Now let us move toward the part B. So let us solve the part B from here. Here we have to find the value of B degree. Uh, the line AB is parallel to the line CD, and we have to find the value of B degree. Let us draw a parallel line at point E, making B degree equals to two angles, sum of two angles, this and this one. Let us call the angle in the upper side as x degree and angle in the lower side as y degree. The angle B degree will become equals to x degree plus y degree, because we have actually draw angle bisector at point E. So angle x degree is the angle which is alternate to 69 degree. So x degree is equals to 69 degree, because this imaginary line at point E is parallel to the line AB. So the angle x degree and 69 degrees are alternate angles. So x degree is equals to 69 degrees. At the same time, if you see y degree, it is an alternate to the angle 37 degree, because this imaginary line is also parallel to the line CD. So y degree is equals to 37 degrees. 37 degrees, the reason is same, because these are alternate angles. So, and now the angle B degree is the sum of x degree plus y degree. So it is equals to 69 degree plus 37 degree. The sum of 69 plus 37 is 69 plus 37 is equals to 106 degrees. So the value of B degree now is 106 degrees. So hence we have find both the unknowns in part A and part B of question number 4. So let us move toward the question number 5. So let us solve the question number 5. First of all, we will see the question number 5 in the book, and this is the question number 5. In each of the following figures, AB is parallel to CD. Find the values of the unknown. This question is very much similar to the question number 3 and 4. A little bit complications are there, but question number 5, part A is this, where we have to find the value of this A degree. So value of A degree cannot be found if we draw a imaginary parallel line at an angle of 92 degree and at point E. So this is the parallel line. So this angle and A degree becomes the interior angle, and this angle and 128 degrees becomes the interior angles. So first we find this angle which is equals to, let us say this is x degree and this angle equals to say y degree. So the sum of x degree and 128 degree, x degree plus 128 degree is equals to 180 degree. We will subtract the angle 128 degree from 180 degree. So x degree is equals to 180 minus 128. So the answer of 180 minus 128 becomes 52 degrees. The value of x becomes 52 degrees. Hence, if we subtract, because this complete angle at point E is equals to 92 degrees, and this half angle is of x degrees. And if we subtract 52 degrees from 92, we will get the value of y. So the value of y degree equals to 92 degrees minus 52 degrees. So if we subtract 52 from 92, we will get 92 minus 52 equals to 40. So the value of y degree becomes 40 degree. So hence now y degree and a degree are the interior angles. So their sum y degree plus a degree is equals to 180 degree, because these are interior angles. So the value of y degree is 40 degree plus a degree equals to 180 degree. We will subtract 40 degree from 180 degree, then its answer becomes 180 minus 40, and a degree is equals to 140 degree. The value of a degree now becomes 140 degree. Now what to do with these two angles in part B, 4b minus 10, and this angle which is lying exterior, and this angle which is the interior angle, 4b minus 10 degree. So if you can see that this angle 2b minus 2 degree and this angle also is 2b minus 2 degree, because these are vertically opposite angles. So the angle C, let us say this point is X, CXP is equals to 2b minus 2 degrees, because vertically opposite angles, because these are vertically opposite angles. If they are vertically opposite angles, then they are equal. So this angle is 2b minus 2 degree. Now this angle and this angle are the interior angles, so their sum becomes 180 degrees. So 4b minus 10 degree plus 2b minus 2 degree is equals to 180 degree, because these are interior angles. These are interior angles, and the sum of interior angles is equals to 180 degree. So 4b degree minus 10 degree plus 2b degree minus 2 degree is equals to 180 degree. Hence we have 4b plus 2b is 6b degree, minus 10 minus 2 is minus 12 degree, is equals to 180 degree. So the answer becomes 6b degree equals to 180 plus 12. If we add 12 to 180, the answer becomes 192. Now let us divide 192 by 6. So b degree equals to, so b degree is equals to 192 divided by 6, and the value of b degree is 32 degree. The value of b degree is 32 degree. This is the value of the unknown in part B of question number 5. Let us now solve the part C of this question. So here, first of all, we have to find this reflex angle C. We have to find this reflex angle C. Let us draw a parallel line at point C. So this is the dotted line which is parallel to the line CD and AB at the same time. So this angle is of 19 degrees. So this angle and this angle becomes equal because both are alternate angles. So let us name it as x degree. So we also have to find this angle also. So let us draw a horizontal dotted line at point E, which is which is parallel to the line AB and CD and the previous dotted line. So these are four lines which are now parallel. So if these two lines are parallel, this one and this one, then this angle is equals to 28 degree, because this is alternate angle, and because the angle at point E is of 94 degrees, if we subtract 28 from 94, we will get the another in the downward direction angle, that is 94 minus 28 equals to 66 degree. So this angle from dotted line to the line EF is equals to 66 degrees. If this angle is of 66 degrees, then this angle is also again equals to 66 degrees, because these are alternate angles, and the value of x degree is 19 degree, because x degree and 19 degree are the alternate angles. So x degree, the value of x degree is 19 degree, and the value of this, which is y degree, is 66 degree. Y degree is equals to 66 degree, and we have to find the reflex angle C. So as we know that the angle at a point or angle at a point or angle of a circle is equals to 360 degree. So the x degree plus y degree plus c degree sum up to 360 degree. So the value of c degree is equals to 360 degree. We will subtract the value of x and y, that is 19 and 66. We will get the value of c degree, that is 360 minus 19 minus 66 equals to 275 degrees. The value of c degree becomes 275 degrees. Hence we have find the value of c. यहाँ इसको थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेन कर लेते हैं। ये पॉइंट ई पे हम इस एंगल पे या पॉइंट ई पे एक हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन ड्रॉ करते हैं जो कि ए बी और सी डी के पैरेलल होगी। इसी तरह पॉइंट सी पे एक हॉरिजॉन्टल डॉटेड लाइन हमने ये ड्रॉ की है जो कि सी डी के साथ पैरेलल है। तो यहाँ पे जो ई डी जो लाइन है ये एज अ ट्रांसवर्सल एक्ट कर रही है। तो ये एंगल और फिर ये 19 डिग्री वाला एंगल जो है वो अल्टरनेट एंगल्स हो जाएंगे। तो इस तरह से ये दोनों एंगल्स इक्वल हो जाएंगे। और फिर पॉइंट एफ पे, ये पॉइंट एफ था, इससे ऊपर इस डॉटेड लाइन से ऊपर ये वाला एंगल हमने फाइंड करना था। तो हमने 94 को भी टू एंगल्स में स्प्लिट कर लिया है और यहाँ पे एक हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन लगा लिया पॉइंट ई पे। और पॉइंट ई पे हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन लगाने से ये लाइन और ए बी लाइन आपस में पैरेलल हो गई। तो ये एंगल और ये एंगल 28 डिग्री के हो गए अल्टरनेट एंगल होने की वजह से। पीछे रह गया ये एंगल जो कि ये वाला एंगल है। तो इसको हमने ये किया कि 94 में से हमने 28 को माइनस कर दिया। तो 94 में से 28 को माइनस किया तो ये एंगल रह गया 66। तो ये 66 डिग्री का एंगल और ये वाला पॉइंट एफ पे बनने वाला अप साइड पे डॉटेड लाइन से ऊपर ये एंगल 66 का हो गया, बिकॉज दीज आर आल्सो अल्टरनेट एंगल्स। तब हमारे पास यहाँ पे दो एंगल्स आ गए, एक्स डिग्री और वाई डिग्री। एक्स डिग्री इज इक्वल्स टू 19 डिग्री और वाई डिग्री इक्वल्स टू 16 डिग्री। अब ये एंगल रिफ्लेक्स एंगल था सी डिग्री पे, जिसमें से ये अगर हम सर्कल कंप्लीट कर लेते तो ये एंगल 360 डिग्री का हो जाता। अब ये सर्कल तो कंप्लीट नहीं था, ये यहाँ तक था। तो हमने 360 डिग्री में से 66 को भी माइनस कर दिया और 19 को भी माइनस कर दिया। तो जो एंगल हमारे पास बचा वो है 275 डिग्रीज। आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट। So this was the part C of question number 5, and let us move toward the question number 6. So this is the question number 6, and let us see the question number 6 in the book. This is the question number 6. In the figure, HDF is a straight line. AB is parallel to CE is parallel to FG, and ADH is equals to 47 degrees and DFG is equals to 86 degrees. Find the values of unknowns. तो यानी ये दो एंगल्स हैं CDF और BAD, ये हमने फाइंड करने हैं. So let us move toward the question number 6. This is the question number 6. Here is the line AB, CE and FG. These are the three lines which are parallel to each other. This is the angle which is equals to 47 degrees and this is the angle which is equals to 86 degrees. First of all, we have to find in part 1 the angle CDF. So let us see how we can find that angle. What is angle CDF? This is the angle CDF. This is the angle CDF. So if you see, the line CE and FG are the parallel lines and DF is the transversal. So this angle and 86 degrees are the alternate angles. It means CDF is equals to 86 degrees because these two angles are alternate angles. Now in the part 2, we have to find the angle BAD. Where is the angle BAD? Angle BAD is this one. This is the angle BAD. We have to find this angle which is BAD. It's mean as we have find this angle at point D, which is equals to 86 degrees because of alternate angles. So now you can see the line HF. This is a straight line, and this is the angle which is this 86 degree, and this angle are called, let us name it as x degree. These two angles are the angles at a straight line. They are called adjacent angles. So sum of these two angles is x degree plus 86 degree is equals to 180 degree. So if we subtract x degree equals to 180 degree minus 86 degree, so the value of x degree becomes 94 degrees. The value of x degree becomes 94 degrees. So this angle, because AB is a parallel line to EC, so these two angles 47 plus 94, 47 plus 94 is alternate to the angle BAD. So the angle BAD is equals to angle HDC. So both these angles are equal because both are alternate angles. Because both are alternate angles. So now angle HDC is 94 and angle ADH plus angle ADH इन दोनों के सम के इक्वल होगा बी ए डी बिकॉज ये दोनों एंगल कंबाइन होके उसका अल्टरनेट बनते हैं बिकॉज ई सी और ए बी दो पैरेलल लाइंस हैं तो इस तरह से बी ए डी की जो वैल्यू आ जाती है वो हमारे पास आ जाती है 47 डिग्रीज प्लस 94 डिग्रीज नाउ वी ऐड 47 एंड 94 47 plus 94 is equals to 141 degrees so the angle BAD is equals to 144 degrees. So this was the question number 6. So now let us solve the question number 7. So this is question number 7. Let us see in the book. This is the question number 7. In the figure, AB is parallel to CD, BF is parallel to AD, and EBF is equals to 68 degree, and CDE is equals to 58 degree. These are the angles, and these are two lines AB, which is parallel to CD, and BF, which is parallel to AD. These are two pair of lines which are parallel to each other. We have to find AEB and ABE. These two angles are to find. So this is the diagram which is written in front of you. EBF is the angle EBF. So let us see what other these points are. AD. So this is the point A. This is the point A, and let us name this point as G. Okay. So now BF is parallel to AD, and AB is parallel to DG. These are two lines which are parallel to each other, and lines with the single arrowhead are parallel to each other. So this line BF. So let us draw this line and again so that it show itself to be parallel with AD. Now this is the line which is parallel to AD. This line BF is parallel to AD. We have to find first of all the angle AEB. Angle A. We have to find this angle. So how we can find the angle AEB? Where is the angle AEB? AEB. So this is the angle which we have to find. And you can see this line and line AD are parallel to each other. So angle at E is alternate to the angle 68 because of these two parallel lines. So angle AEB is equals to 68 degrees, because alternate angles. Because these are alternate angles. Now in part 2 we have to find the angle ABE. This is the angle which we have to find, ABE. Where is the angle ABE? This is the angle ABE which we have to find. So how can we find this angle ABE? You can see that line AB is parallel to the line GD also. So BG is the transversal between these two lines. So this angle is alternate to this angle. This angle is alternate to this angle. Now, how can we find this angle? Let us name it as x degree, and we have already find angle AEB, which is equals to 68 degrees. So, due to vertically opposite angle, this angle is also 68 degrees. Now, sum of these three angle is equals to 180 degree. So x degree plus 68 degree plus 58 डिग्री इज इक्वल्स टू 180 डिग्री। देखें कि हमने एंगल बी फाइंड करना है। ये जो एंगल बी पे एंगल बन रहा है ए बी ई एंगल हमने फाइंड करना है। अगर हम गौर से देखें तो ये जो लाइन ए बी है और ये जो लाइन जी डी है ये तो एक दूसरे के साथ पैरेलल है। तो फिर ये जो लाइन बी जी है जो इन दोनों लाइन को एक दूसरे के साथ इंटरसेक्ट कर रही है बी जी, ये एक ट्रांसवर्सल के तौर पे एक्ट करेगा यहाँ पे। अगर ये ट्रांसवर्सल है तो ये वाला एंगल और फिर एंगल डी पे बनने वाला एंगल और बी पे बनने वाला एंगल अल्टरनेट होंगे। तो अगर ये मतलब अल्टरनेट ये जी पे बनने वाला एंगल और बी पे बनने वाला एंगल अल्टरनेट एंगल्स होंगे। तो अब जी पे एंगल भी हमें पता नहीं था, लेकिन फिर हमें ये एंगल ए ई बी पता चल चुका था। ये ए ई बी ये वाला एंगल हमें पता चल चुका था विच इज 68 डिग्रीज। तो इसका वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट होने की वजह से ये वाला एंगल बी पॉइंट ई पे वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट होने की वजह से ये एंगल पता चल गया। अब ट्राइंगल के दो एंगल्स हमें पता है, तो थर्ड एंगल विच इज एक्स डिग्री which is alternate to the angle at angle ABE can be found by this equation. The sum of interior angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degrees. So x degree plus 68 plus 58 equals to 126 degree. X degree plus 126 degree is equals to 180 degree. Now we subtract 126 from 180. It becomes 180 minus 126. So the answer equals to 54 degrees. So the value of now is x degree now is 54 degrees. And the angle ABE is equals to x degree because alternate angles. तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि एंगल ABE इक्वल हो गया 54 डिग्रीज की। So this was the question number 7, and this is all for today. I will solve question number 8 to question number 12 in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.